Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Windows 10 build 18342. So before moving on, I would like to say if you want to download any builds released by Microsoft or this particular build, any build, if you are any ring, doesn't matter, it is a very simple method. Every Windows lover should know this method. So you can use this method to download the ISO file and use it to test it on your PC, or you can use the same ISO file to install it on any other PC. So it's a very simple method. So you don't have to wait for the update to arrive on Windows Update. So it's a very good method. If you want to watch that video, I'll put a link down in the description, or I'll put a card up top. Just click and watch. So first let me show you the version number. So version number is same, 1903. It is a 19H1 build. OS build number is 18342 and I'm running Windows 10 Pro. So here is the blog post and I'll link the blog post down in the description. As we are inching towards the final release, there are not many changes, but most of them are fixes, so don't expect much. Still, like the last build, we have improvements in the gaming section, which I cannot show you, sorry. Now we have the ability to access Linux files in a WSL distro from Windows. So I particularly don't know what they're talking about, but if you get the point, then please do check them out. So here is the new update, new Chrome extension for timeline. So you can download the extension from the Chrome store. What it does is it will gather the activities from your Google Chrome and it will put on your Windows timeline so that you can access your web activity. You just have to sign in to your extension on your Chrome browser and it will sync everything into Windows, and you can use the same feature on Android by using the Microsoft Launcher app. So if you are a Microsoft Launcher user, then this is a new feature you can experience. So I personally don't care about timelines, so it doesn't matter. There are lots of fixes in this build. Yeah, one of the things is this one, wslconfig.exe, which I mentioned before. So you can access the Linux distros by using wsl.exe command line interface, which I don't know. So if you have any knowledge about that, please let me know in the comment section. Yes, the next implementation they did is you can now create a file that starts with a dot. So I can demonstrate that. So right click, and if you head to new and create a new text document, and I can rename the whole thing to dot something. So it will just ask yes or no, rename. I'll give yes, and now you can see now it has renamed to dot something. But the fact is that if you were to do this before, it would throw an error. So yes, now you can do that, and what you can do is you can go ahead and open that using Notepad again, and yes, you can type in anything. You can save that and just close, and you can open that again. So if you're on this build, you can experience that new feature. And yes, we had an issue. I mentioned in my previous build video, we had an issue renaming, deleting and moving .mkv video files. So that used to mess up my file explorer. So now that has been fixed. So as you can see, this is a .mkv file. Now I can delete that. Right click, delete, that works. Let me undo that, and I can rename that. So renaming works, and if I can also move that. So very good. And let me see what else has changed. And yes, the Windows Lite theme, this I mentioned, this is a change from the last build. So Windows Lite has changed to Windows Lite. Let me quickly show you that. So as you can see, Windows Lite has changed to Windows with Lite in parenthesis. I think that's it. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.